Imagine a life constantly on edge, where something as simple as a peanut butter sandwich could trigger a serious allergic reaction. For millions around the world, this is a daily reality. Peanut allergies are among the most common and severe food allergies, affecting approximately 1% of children. This translates to 1 or 2 children in every classroom. The fear is real, and the consequences can be life-threatening. Parents of children with peanut allergies face constant vigilance. They meticulously read food labels, ask detailed questions at restaurants, and carry epinephrine auto-injectors everywhere they go. The emotional toll is significant, marked by anxiety, worry, and a sense of isolation. Children, too, experience the burden of this allergy, often missing out on social gatherings and feeling different from their peers. But what if there was a way to change this? What if we could train our bodies to tolerate peanuts, to see them not as a threat but as just another food? Recent scientific breakthroughs suggest that this may be possible. Researchers around the world are making incredible strides in understanding and treating peanut allergies, offering hope for a future where this common fear is a thing of the past. For years, the prevailing advice for managing peanut allergies was strict avoidance. However, recent research has challenged this approach, paving the way for new treatments that aim to desensitize individuals to peanuts. One such groundbreaking treatment involves oral immunotherapy, or OIT, a method where patients consume gradually increasing amounts of peanut protein under medical supervision. This controlled exposure helps to build tolerance over time, reducing the severity of allergic reactions. Clinical trials have shown remarkable success with OIT, with many participants able to tolerate significant amounts of peanut after completing the treatment. While OIT is not a cure, it offers a life-changing solution for many, enabling them to live with less fear and anxiety. Another promising area of research focuses on understanding the underlying mechanisms of peanut allergies. Scientists are investigating the role of genetics, the immune system, and environmental factors in triggering these allergies. By unraveling the complex interplay of these elements, researchers hope to develop targeted therapies that address the root cause of the problem. To understand how these new treatments work, it's helpful to grasp the science behind peanut allergies. When someone with a peanut allergy ingests even a tiny amount of peanut protein, their immune system overreacts. It mistakes the harmless protein as a dangerous invader and launches a full-scale attack. This immune response triggers the release of histamine and other chemicals, leading to a cascade of symptoms ranging from mild itching and hives to life-threatening anaphylaxis. Anaphylaxis is a severe, potentially fatal allergic reaction that can cause difficulty breathing, swelling of the throat, and a drop in blood pressure. Oral immunotherapy works by gradually desensitizing the immune system to peanut protein. By introducing small, controlled amounts of the allergen, OIT aims to retrain the immune system to recognize peanut protein as harmless. Over time, the body becomes less reactive, reducing the likelihood and severity of allergic reactions. The impact of these scientific breakthroughs extends far beyond the laboratory. For individuals and families living with peanut allergies, these advancements offer hope for a brighter, less fearful future. Imagine a child with peanut allergies being able to attend birthday parties without worry, to share snacks with friends, and to live a life free from the constant threat of a reaction. These treatments have the potential to transform lives, offering newfound freedom and peace of mind. Parents can breathe easier knowing their child has a safety net. Children can experience the joy of childhood without the constraints of their allergy. The social implications are equally significant. As these treatments become more widely available, we can foster a more inclusive environment for individuals with peanut allergies. Restaurants can expand their menus, schools can relax their restrictions, and social gatherings can become less stressful for everyone involved. The advancements in peanut allergy research offer a glimmer of hope for a future where food allergies are no longer a constant source of fear and anxiety. Imagine a world where children with peanut allergies can enjoy a peanut butter sandwich alongside their friends, where families can dine out without scrutinizing every ingredient, and where the threat of a life-threatening allergic reaction is minimized. This future is within reach, but it requires continued research, investment, and awareness. We must continue to support scientists and clinicians working tirelessly to develop new treatments and preventive measures. We must advocate for greater access to these life-changing therapies, ensuring they are available to all who need them. And we must continue to educate ourselves and others about food allergies, fostering a culture of understanding, empathy, and inclusion. The journey towards a future free from the fear of peanut allergies is a shared responsibility. Scientists are making remarkable strides in understanding the complexities of food allergies, developing innovative treatments that offer hope for a brighter future. Clinicians are working tirelessly to implement these treatments, providing life-changing care to individuals and families affected by peanut allergies. But we all have a role to play. By supporting research efforts, raising awareness, and advocating for greater access to treatment, we can contribute to a future where food allergies are no longer a constant source of fear and uncertainty. Let us embrace these advancements with optimism and work together towards a world where everyone can enjoy the simple pleasure of food without fear.